Welcome. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a fascinating alkaline substance that plays a crucial role in our digestive system. Interestingly, our body naturally produces it, mainly through the pancreas, providing its integral functions. When a strong hydrochloric acid from the stomach moves into the small intestine, the pancreas releases sodium bicarbonate to neutralize the acid, ensuring smooth digestion. Without this, one might experience bloating, diarrhea, or even constipation. Now, let's explore the benefits and consideration of using baking soda. People often use it to temporarily reduce stomach acidity. However, not all stomach issues are due to excess acid. For instance, indigestion with bloating or heaviness may actually result from low acid levels. In such cases, apple cider vinegar or betaine hydrochloride can be more effective in enhancing digestion by improving acid levels rather than baking soda. For cases of acid reflux or GERD, baking soda can provide short-term relief by reducing symptoms of acidity. Yet the root of the problem often lies in insufficient acid. That's why many antacids incorporate baking soda. It's effective for temporary relief but not a long-term solution. The recommended approach would still involve maintaining adequate acid levels with apple cider vinegar or betaine hydrochloride. If inflammation or gastritis occurs in the stomach, baking soda might be beneficial. Zinc carnosine can also aid by supporting stomach lining health. Remember, the stomach's normal pH ranges from 1 to 3 due to the potent action of hydrochloric acid, which is quite strong. It can easily burn through normal skin. While baking soda can offer several health benefits, it's crucial not to form a habit of consuming it daily over prolonged periods. Regular intake can neutralize stomach acid, which could provide temporary relief but lead to significant long-term problems. Essential processes such as protein digestion, B12 vitamin absorption, and mineral uptake can be hindered. Additionally, the body's defense against harmful germs can be compromised. For those who wonder if long-term use of baking soda can make the blood too alkaline, the answer is likely no. Baking soda effects last only a few hours. However, excessive alkalinity in the body can lead to muscle issues due to electrolyte imbalance, causing cramps and pain. Baking soda also neutralizes acid produced by bacteria in the mouth, which can help reduce plaque and mouth odor. This is why it's included in many commercial toothpaste products. Nonetheless, the primary issue for dental health remains the consumption of sugary foods. As long as you consume sugar, mouth acids and plaque problem will persist. If someone has kidney issues and experience skin itching, baking soda can balance the acid buildup caused by kidney damage, potentially providing relief and reducing the burden on kidneys. Some people take it to avoid the need for dialysis. Athletes might benefit from baking soda by using it to increase stamina, reduce muscle fatigue, and extend performance time. However, overconsumption can lead to nausea. Our recommended dosage is about 0.2 gram per kilogram of body weight. Lastly, baking soda can help prevent kidney stones by dissolving uric acid. It can also provide temporary relief from gout, but the real solution is to reduce the intake of fructose and high fructose corn syrup, which are primary contributor to uric acid production. Baking soda is a versatile household staple that goes beyond its culinary uses. In case of urinary tract infection, it can help by altering the environment to inhibit bacterial growth, effectively reducing the risk of infections. When dealing with insect bites, particularly those from flies, ants, or bees, applying a damp paste of baking soda can neutralize the acidic venom, offering relief. However, for wasp stings, avoid baking soda due to its alkaline nature. Opt for vinegar instead. Similarly, for spider bites, activated charcoal or bentonite clay is more effective. Baking soda can also serve as a natural remedy against cockroaches. Mixed with sugar and placed strategically, it becomes a deadly bait, causing carbon dioxide buildup inside the pests' bodies. Remember, thou never combine baking soda with vinegar or lemon juice internally, as this can lead to excessive gas formation. Another clever use is placing an open box in your fridge where it absorbs and eliminates unpleasant odors. These insights into baking soda's application highlights its potential beyond baking, offering natural solution for health and household challenges. Alright, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.